One of the things we always hear is, I'd like to learn IV sedation, but I'm concerned about the safety. That's our top priority. When you participate in the Vesper Institute program, first and foremost and always is patient safety. And the way we do our in-person and then the way we also do our clinicals, we set ourselves apart to really help our students understand and put it all together. After you finish your online portion and your in-person didactic, on that last day, it's simulation day. We use a high-fidelity mannequin and run you through all the various simulations or sedation emergencies in your office.
I know that a lot of dentists are worried about the safety of IV sedation, and as you look at the requirements and things that you need to be proficient in, it can be really intimidating, but I think that there's not anything you learn here that couldn't be used on a daily basis, regardless of whether or not you're doing IV sedation. So you need to be comfortable in these things anyway, and the more comfortable you are, the more comfortable you can be in sedation.
We're building confidence for you and your staff. IV sedation, if taught right, is a safe technique for you and your patients. By coming to Vesper, they feel totally confident, totally competent, and totally ready to implement IV sedation in their practice.